I am going to show how easily we can fetch any city, any country air pollution waiver through your own code. So what do you mean? If you have seen this kind of page where it is showing this kind of page where it is showing the map and the dots and showing that how is the quality of air in the different city. So if you want to make this kind of the website or this kind of the website where you give the city name, they will give the air pollution waiver for particular city name, right? So it's very easy. Not it will not take more than 10 minutes to make this kind of code who fetch the air pollution. So what you have to do, you have to find out some API that is provided by some server that can give the information for any city or country or the state air pollution level. So first you go that website who provide these things. I will show you. Then you have to generate one key. So that key would be the paid key or the free, also depends upon the hosting server. And once you get the API and the key, then write the Java code and fetch everything. Okay, so this is so simple. So if you go the website here, just search API for fetch air pollution quality. You will get penalty of the server who provide this kind of things, right? Some are paid, some are free. So for the simplicity or demo purpose, I am taking India government website that provide free of cost this API for the air quality or air pollution waiver, right? What you have to do, you have to just log in with your mobile number, email ID. Once you log in here, then if you see here, we have many APIs. So if you see, we have almost uh, here, if you go across different department, we have almost 133,000 APIs. For almost all the social purpose, you will have the APIs, right? This much the APIs are there. So once you create the account and go to the My Account, and there you can generate the API and you will get your key. After getting the key, if you see, just you have to search, go to the API and search real-time air or the air quality. If you hit, you will get the many APIs for that. So I'm going to use this first one. So if you click the first one, you will get this is the API. And how you want to use the API, this complete information is here. So you have to pass your key, what you got the key after login, and what kind of format you want, how many records you want, everything you can get it. So just first let me show on the Postman. So this is the page, this is the URL. If you see the same URL, I'm using that IndiaGov resource. After resource you have to give this number and then you have to give your key, and that's it. So now if you hit, it will show the top 10 result. So now if you see, it is showing the top 10 result. This is the format of the data you want to fetch. Now it is showing start from here, country name India, state name Andhra Pradesh, city is the Amravati, and what is the minimum maximum, everything you can see that. And if you want to for the particular Karnataka state, so you have to pass the filter. Under filter you have to provide the state and the state name here. So if you hit here, it will show only particular Karnataka, right? In all the station of the city and all the city of the Karnataka. So huge data is here, right? And if you want particular one city, so you have to pass the city as a filter and then hit that, it will show that. So if you see here, it will show all the Bangalore data. So India, Karnataka, Bangalore, in all the station of Bangalore, right? So this is the way to fetch. Now let us go to the code part. So in the code, what you have to do, create one Maven project and you have to add the 3 dependency here. So everything I have mentioned in the code, I have given the code in the GitHub. This is the link for the GitHub. Okay, and you come to my GitHub and type the Java air quality, and this is the code I have given here. So if you come here, this is the things you have to download, add in dependency. After that, create one Java code and pass keep your API key, what the key you have got while logging time, and what is the base URL that I have already showed you, and then give your filter criteria. So I want to fetch for the Bangalore. So Bangalore I have given, and then pass that URL to one method. This method I am using, and give all the criteria. This is the get method, the format, and all those things, and use the HTTP URL connection, and they will return as a buffer reader all the JSON information, right? For the simplicity, what you do, you make one POJO kind of class, HTTP response. They will capture the body, header, response, right? So everything I have captured in the HTTP response, and go to the calling method. Here it will return the HTTP response, and I interested only for the body. I got the body. So if you just print the body JSON object, you will get this kind of information, the whole information, whole data for all over the country, right? But I have to fetch from the record. This is the root element. I pass the record, I got the record, actual record, and then in that record, because I am passing here the city, and city is the Bangalore, so it will fetch all the Bangalore information, all the stations. So for the simplicity, what I took, I just take the first record, and then just iterating and showing the data here. So if you just copy paste the second part for your just understanding, and go to the any one JSON format, and this kind of information you are getting. So suppose Bangalore station name is this, second Bangalore station name is this, right? So for the simplicity, I took the first record, and I'm showing here mean 78, average 79, and the 81. So if you see, it is coming here. Now just in front of you, let me show. I want the Noida, and run it. Now you can see this is Noida, it is coming, right? And same information you get from any other website. That's it. It was so easy to make those things, right? Please be kind and share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.